Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share my journey to learning English. But will I succeed? Watch my story to find out. My name is Jasmine. I live in London. I want to learn English. English is hard for me. I try every day. I read books, I watch videos, I listen to people. But it is not easy. Sometimes I feel sad. I want to speak well, but my words do not come out right. People speak fast. I do not understand everything. I feel nervous when I try to talk, but I do not give up. I tell myself, I can do it. I will learn. One day I have an idea. I will go to the airport. Many people speak English there. I can listen to them. I can try to talk. This will help me learn. The airport is a busy place. People come from many countries. They speak different languages, but most people speak English. I think it is the best place to practice. I wake up early. I wear my best clothes. I take my bag. I go to the airport. I feel happy and excited. Today I will learn English, but I also feel scared. What if I cannot speak? What if people laugh at me? I take a deep breath. I tell myself, it is okay. I am learning. I will try. I see many people. They walk fast. They talk on phones. They stand in line. They look busy. I listen to them. They speak very fast. I do not understand, but I try. I pick some words. I write them in my notebook. I want to remember them. Departure, arrival, check-in, boarding. These are new words for me. I repeat them softly. At the entrance, I see a big screen. It shows flight times and destinations. I try to read it. I see words like delayed and on time. I do not know what they mean. I take out my phone and search for the meanings. Delayed means late. I understand now. I write it in my notebook. I learn a new word. I go to a coffee shop. I want to order coffee. I see a menu. The words are in English. I feel nervous. I go to the counter. A lady smiles at me. "Hello, what would you like?" she asks. I forget my words. I feel shy. My hands shake. My heart beats fast, but I try. "One coffee, please," I say. She asks, "What kind of coffee?" I do not understand. I look at the menu again. I see the words. I say, "Black coffee." She smiles. "Okay, anything else?" I shake my head. "No, thank you." I feel happy. I did it. I spoke English. It is a small step, but it is a good step. I take my coffee. I sit and watch people. I listen to them. I hear words. Some words I know. Some words I do not know. I write them in my notebook. I will learn them later. I see a family. They look lost. They talk to a worker. I go near them. The worker asks, "Where do you want to go?" The man says, "We need help. We go to New York." The worker says, "Gate 10, go straight, then left." I understand. I feel happy. I learn new words. Go straight, left. I say them softly. I will remember. I walk around the airport. I see a shop. I want to buy a book. I go inside. A man asks, "Can I help you?" I feel shy, but I try. "I want book." "Which book?" he asks. I think. "I want a book for learning English." "English book," I say. He shows me some books. I look. I see a book with easy words. I take it. "This book," I say. He smiles. "Good choice." I pay for the book. I feel proud. I spoke English again. I learn more. I sit near a big window. I see airplanes. I read my book. A girl sits near me. She looks friendly. She says, "Hello." I say, "Hello." She asks, "Where are you going?" I do not know how to say. I do not go anywhere. I am here to learn English, I think. Then I say, "I learn English." She smiles. That is good. She talks to me. She speaks slowly. She asks my name. I say, "My name is Jasmine." She says, "Nice to meet you, Jasmine. My name is Emma." Emma helps me. She teaches me new words. She speaks slowly. I listen. I learn. She tells me about her flight. She says she is going to Spain. I ask, "Why?" She says, "For vacation." I learn a new word, vacation. She asks, "Do you like traveling?" I do not know how to answer, I think. I say, yes, I want go many places. She corrects me. I want to go to many places. I repeat after her. She smiles. She says, you are learning fast. Emma tells me about her travels. She has been to many places. She shows me pictures on her phone. She tells me about Spain, France, and Italy. I listen carefully. She speaks slowly so I can understand. She tells me about food, people, and culture. I learn many new words. Delicious, beautiful, exciting. I repeat them. She helps me pronounce them correctly. I feel happy. I am learning so much. Then Emma asks about me. She asks what I like to do. I tell her, I like books. I like movies. She smiles. What books do you read? I try to answer. Easy books, English books. She understands. That is good. Keep reading. It helps. Emma tells me about her family. She has a brother and a sister. She says her brother is also learning a new language, French. She tells me that learning a language takes time and practice. You are doing great, Jasmine. Just keep practicing, she says. Her kind words give me confidence. I feel encouraged. Time passes. I feel happy. I learn many things today. I know I must keep trying. One day I will speak English well. Before I leave, I go to a help desk. A man sits there. I want to ask something. I feel nervous, but I try. Where is the bus? I ask. Which bus? He asks. I do not understand. I feel shy. I point outside. Bus to city. He smiles. Bus stop is outside. Go left. I understand. I say, thank you. He says, you are welcome. I feel happy. I did it again. I spoke English. I understand directions. I go home. I tell my family. They feel proud. I feel proud too. I will go to the airport again. I will learn more. I will not give up. This is my journey. I will keep learning. Every day I will try. One day I will speak English well. I believe in myself. This was my journey of learning English at the airport. At first I was scared and nervous, but I did not give up. If you are learning English, remember, keep trying, never be afraid, and believe in yourself. Thank you for watching my story. See you in the next video.